2-ingredient miracle for unstoppable hair growth. Are you tired of waiting for your hair to grow? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the 2-ingredient miracle for unstoppable hair growth. Please remember that like and subscribe may look simple to you, but for us, it's precious, so thank you so much for your support. Leave a comment below with your favorite natural tips, and let's build a community of empowered individuals taking charge of their health. Say goodbye to expensive hair treatments and hello to long, thick, and healthy hair. You only need 2 ingredients to achieve your hair goals. Ingredient number 1 is coconut oil. Packed with vitamins and fatty acids, coconut oil nourishes your hair from root to tip, promoting faster growth. It also fights dandruff and keeps your scalp moisturized. Ingredient number 2 is castor oil. Known for its hair growth properties, castor oil stimulates blood circulation and strengthens the hair follicles. It also prevents hair breakage and keeps your locks looking shiny and vibrant. Now let's get to the magic blend. Mix equal parts coconut oil and castor oil in a bowl. Stir it well until the oils are nicely blended together. Before applying the mixture, ensure your hair is clean and dry. Begin by massaging the oil blend into your scalp gently. Massage in circular motions to promote blood flow. Next, work the oil blend down the length of your hair from roots to ends. Make sure every strand is coated with the nourishing oils. Leave the mixture on your hair for at least 1 hour, or if possible, overnight. This will allow your hair to absorb all the fantastic benefits of the oils. After the recommended time, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo and conditioner. You'll immediately notice your hair feeling softer, shinier, and more manageable. Repeat this treatment once or twice a week, and soon you'll see remarkable results. Your hair will grow longer, thicker, and healthier than ever before. So, why wait? Try this 2-ingredient miracle for unstoppable hair growth. You'll be amazed by the transformation. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more hair care tips and tricks.